And on one final matter, the men and women we represent have suffered a lot under Obamacare. Skyrocketing costs, plummeting choices, collapsing markets. Many of us thought our constituents deserved better. That's why we did as we promised and voted to repeal this failed law so we could replace it with something better. The forces of the status quo went all out to defeat our every effort to improve health care. Thus far, they've succeeded. Thus far, they have yet to offer truly serious solutions of their own. Last week, our colleague from Vermont rolled out health care legislation that would quadruple down on the failures of Obamacare. It envisions what is basically a fully government-run, single-payer system. The kind of system that would strip so many Americans of their health plans and take away so many decisions over their own health care. That would require almost unimaginably high tax increases. And that already collapsed, interestingly enough, in the senator's home state of Vermont when they tried to do it. This is a massive expansion of a failed idea, not a serious solution. But Democrats are coalescing around it anyway. They apparently think this massive expansion of a failed idea is what American health care future should look like. You can be sure they'll do everything in their power to impose it on our country. But we don't have to accept it as our future. That's certainly what Senators Graham and Cassidy believe. They rolled out a health care proposal of their own last week. It would repeal the pillars of Obamacare and replace that failed law's failed approach with a new one, allowing states and governors to actually implement better health care ideas by taking more decision-making power out of Washington. Governors and state legislators of both parties would have both the opportunity and the responsibility to help make quality and affordable health care available to their citizens in a way that works for their own particular states. It's an intriguing idea and one that has a great deal of support. As we continue to discuss that legislation, I want to thank Senator Graham and Senator Cassidy for all of their hard work. They know how important it is to move beyond the failures of Obamacare. They know that our opportunity to do so may well pass us by if we don't act soon.